Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable location tracking with React Native Geolocation Service. Detailed guide step by step. To enable location tracking with React Native Geolocation Service, begin by setting up your React Native environment. Ensure you have Node.js and npm installed on your machine. Open your terminal and create a new React Native project. Navigate to the project directory using the command line. Install React Native Geolocation Service by running npm install React Native Geolocation Service. Link the library to your project by executing React Native link React Native Geolocation Service. For Android, open the Android manifest.xml file located in the android/app/src/main. Add the necessary permissions for location access by including these lines within the manifest tag. Requesting access_find_location ensures high accuracy for tracking. If targeting Android 10 or higher, also include access_background_location for background location tracking. For iOS, open the info.plist file located in the iOS/your project name directory. Add the nsLocation when in use usage description key with an appropriate message for location permission. If using background location tracking, also add nsLocation always usage description. Next, install the required permissions library by running npm install at React Native community/geolocation. Now, navigate to your component where you want to implement location tracking. Import the geolocation from React Native Geolocation Service. Set up a function to capture the user's location. Use geolocation.getCurrentPosition for one-time location retrieval. For continuous tracking, utilize geolocation.watchPosition. Ensure to handle the success and error callbacks appropriately. In the success callback, you can access the user's coordinates. Update your component's state with the received location data. Make sure to clean up the watch position when the component unmounts. Call geolocation.clearWatch to stop tracking. You can now display the user's location in your application. Test the functionality in both iOS and Android to ensure it works as expected. Make adjustments based on the platform's specific requirements if necessary. This completes the guide on enabling location tracking with React Native Geolocation Service. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.